Welcome back to TechRadar. This review of the OnePlus Nord 2 was written by James Peckham. Historically, OnePlus has been about making high-end phones for a lower price point than its competition. The same can't be said for the OnePlus 9 series, but the OnePlus Nord 2 is taking on that mantle. The mid-range phone market is an extremely competitive space, with the Google Pixel 4a and the Samsung Galaxy A52 5G being great options. But the OnePlus Nord 2 features specs that allow it to hold its own in that space. In fact, the OnePlus Nord 2 is one of the very best phones in this segment of the market. It features some impressive specs, including a 50 megapixel main rear camera, 65 watt fast charging, and a 6.43 inch 1080 by 2400 display with 90 Hz refresh rate. That screen offers a good experience, although some will be disappointed that the company hasn't stretched to a 120 Hz refresh rate here. That said, it offers good picture quality at a suitable size for many people. One odd quirk is that the company has moved to a MediaTek chipset for the very first time, but it was seemingly the right decision, as we found that it offers improved performance when compared to the original OnePlus Nord. The other highlight of the OnePlus Nord 2 is its strong battery life, as we found it would always last a full day of usage even when we were pushing the phone to its limits. If you find it doesn't, there's also that 65 watt fast charging that sees your phone go from 0% to full in just 30 minutes. The OnePlus Nord 2 doesn't have any game-changing features, but as a total package, it offers a top experience that many will enjoy considering its lower price point. So if you're looking for a cheaper alternative to a flagship, you should definitely consider the OnePlus Nord 2. The OnePlus Nord 2 isn't available everywhere though. It's mostly restricted to Europe and India. If you live in the US or Australia, you're out of luck. But if you do live in the UK, the phone will cost you £399 for 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. If you want 12GB of RAM and 256GB of storage, you'll find the price increases to £469. And in India, there's also a 6GB of RAM and 128GB of storage variant that will cost 27,999 rupees. The OnePlus Nord 2 comes with a lot of improvements over its predecessor and shines in all departments. It brings insanely fast 65 watt fast charging, and we're also pretty impressed with the camera for the first time on a Nord device. However, we'd like to have seen some upgrades on the display front. Regardless, the Nord 2 is an exciting addition to the mid-range phone market, and it's one of our top recommendations. We give it 4.5 stars out of 5. Thanks for watching. Let us know down in the comments below what you think of the brand new OnePlus Nord 2. If you liked the video, give it a like, subscribe so you don't miss any of our future phone reviews. I've been Matt Phillips, this has been TechRadar, and we'll see you on the next one.